Hi friends, and we are so happy that you are with us. Today we will show you how to check who shared your post on Instagram stories, so let's go to the watching if this topic is cool. And let's open our Instagram. Right now we are on the profile page, so let's select one of the period posts here to check this data, but remember that unfortunately this option is available only for stories. And we unfortunately are not able to check who shared this post with their friends, for example in other apps or in messages, in direct, nothing like that, but only about stories. But it's a cool option too, so let's check it. We just need to pick on this three dots icon at the corner of the screen and just tap on the second option, View Story Reshares. Let's pick on it one time, and later we can check all of the reshares here on the list. Let's click on, we have only one, so let's click on this one, and after we can check who did it and who share your post to his story, which is really very convenient and cool. Remember that this history will always be able for you to check. Will always be able. Okay. So guys, don't forget about likes if this video was interesting and needful, useful. We hope that it was, and don't forget also to subscribe to our channel, because we will share with you even more cool fun tricks and secrets in Instagram and other social media apps. Good luck! Bye bye!